Dear customer, welcome to the online training session of ODeX. In this video, we will be looking onto the process of invoices. We have facilitated the processing of invoicing, payments and delivery order on ODeX, acting as one platform for communicating with the different carriers. First, log into ODeX with your login credentials. Enter your username. Enter your password. Select your company name. Now, once logged in, you will be able to view the dashboard. For placing a new invoice request, select Search New Invoice option. Enter the BL number. Shipment type. Now, here you will be getting an option for request to line. Click on that option. Once you click on request to line, your request will be sent successfully to the shipping line. A pop-up will hit on the screen stating that your invoice request has been sent to liner successfully. Now, for tracking the invoice request, select View All Invoices. Enter the BL number. Click on Search. Your released invoice will be visible on the screen. View that invoice. Your unpaid invoices will be visible on that screen. Select that particular invoices and proceed with the payment by clicking on Pay option. Hope this tutorial video was helpful for you. Thank you.